This is gonna be a video of my new fidget spinners that I got. My new ones, brand new. So first, I'm gonna review this one. It's a cow fidget spinner. I'll spin it for you. Spins pretty nice. Here is my second one. It's cool looking. This one has a long spin. Right here is my green one. When I go slow, it looks like a something, and then when I go fast, it looks like a gray spinning golem. Right here. Yeah, this is craziest. Right here. I'll spin it really fast because of all the tie-dye colors on it, and this is a nice spinner. It spins really nice. See all the colors right there. Like there's a blue, there's some blue and orange on the sides, green right there, the red and yellow side, the yellow, like some yellow, some purple there, and some more orange. This spins really amazing. Right here is my Toys R Us, my rainbow camouflage spinner. Yeah, spins nice. Right here is my multicolor spinner, this multicolor. My food stripe gum one. Remy says it looks like food stripe gum. Spins pretty nice. Right here is the coolest one. This one's amazing looking. Look at it when it spins. Like it's like a bird humming. Finally, we got this one. This is my 4th of July spinner because it's American flag. 4th of July spinner right there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.